gang, what it is. Mook in the V, back with another video. As y'all see, man, I'm out front of I.Y Auto picking up a serpentine belt for the vet, man. It's a little squeaky, it's a little old, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off and show y'all how to put that on. Little guy was in there knocked out, man. We've been out shopping all day. See, he got boxes everywhere. He don't know what to do with them. I'll see them right there. You good? Tired? About to go home. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go back in here and get this belt, get this tensioner bar, man. We're gonna take it home and throw this belt on real quick.
Ramon?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so for the belt on the kit, it'll be $89.49. Is that going to be credit or debit?
Credit.
Credit? Alright, so you can go ahead and slide. Alright, Junior.
Purchase been made, man. We on our way back. As y'all can see. Gonna hold me up now. Like it's gonna rain out here. I'll cut the camera back on. I'll get back to the crib, y'all, in a minute. Alright, family, I done made it back. I done changed clothes because I'm about to throw this belt on and I don't want to get that fly Mook in the V shirt messed up. Make sure y'all hit me up on IG if y'all want y'all Mook in the V, man. We got the cutoffs too if you out here getting your work in. Oh, the V, hold on, the V there. Y'all know the V there. But yeah, man, we got the cutoffs too, man. We out here working in the cutoffs. I wasn't gonna show y'all this, but whatever. If you got a 84 vet and you don't know how to pop the hood, if you look on the side right there, you see the little decal of the hood being popped. That's because there's a lever right there. You pull that lever, which I already did. You pull that till you hear the pop sound, and that's how you pop your hood. Let that lock over there, and you straight. Yeah, you can see that belt right there. It's definitely time for a new one. Yeah. We're just running it a little bit. See how warm that is in there. Where's the tensioner at? I don't see the tensioner. Oh, I think that's it right there. So what I'm looking for is the tensioner pulley. Is that it right there? Yep. So that guy right there is your tensioner pulley. That's a little square socket. Let me get my finger in there. Right there. That's what I'm looking for. So I already, damn, these shorts is dirty now. I should have changed shorts too, y'all. Stupid. Look at that. Them things messed them up. So what I got here is our serpentine belt. And then this right here is the pulley bar. I'm gonna cut that open in a second here so I can show y'all what it is. I did rent this. If you don't know, you go to any and as y'all see, man, it's just too many vehicles out here. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, yeah, it's back in the driveway. She's still being worked on, y'all. She's not back yet. Not back yet, but yeah, she's being worked on, y'all. She's coming back, man. I promise she's making a comeback. The MKZ thing, man. Let me introduce y'all to Luke real quick. Never really introduced y'all to this car, man. This beautiful car right here is a Lincoln MKZ. Bought it a couple of years ago, about 2-3 years ago, as a present for my father. Bought it, paid it off, gave it to him as a gift because he's done so much for me, you know, real G-ish. But yeah, man, once I bought that thing over there, I gave this to him. But since that thing over there ain't running, I've been driving this. You know what I mean? Real nigga-ish. Y'all know Big Blue already. And like I say, man, we ain't making no nickname for this, man. This is just simply the Vette. And I'm getting sidetracked here. I digress. So I'm gonna get everything set up. I'm gonna get this thing cut open. Let me see if I got any knives right here. Yeah, I'm just gonna get my knife out the house. I'm gonna cut the camera back on in a second, y'all. All right. Got the knife here. Piece. Huh. I really should just buy this, man. I wonder if I just keep it, they just keep the money that they charge me for it. So I actually need one of these. Really useful. Pop that thing open. Yeah, this is a nice set too. They usually only come with this bar right here in it, so this is really nice. But you see they got it kind of long, so you have leverage. You don't ever want like a little short bar like that trying to torque something. You want a nice long bar like that to get yourself some leverage and be able to pull it easily. So I'm gonna show you what this is for here, just in case y'all never change the serpentine belt. See that? I need to set this up somewhere. Okay, so this one right here, which is the long one, that face right there, that little nipple you see right there, is too small to go into that guy right there. So this one right here, that smaller one that I showed you, should be perfect. Yeah, so that one fits. So that little nipple right there goes right into that, which is the bottom half of this. Just like that. See that? Now you got an even longer bar. I have to start it from way over here. Let me change the angle here for y'all now too, so y'all can see. Throw this back on the tripod. Should have my son out here holding this camera, y'all. Don't worry, he gonna get put to work real soon. See that? So now she's in there. I'm gonna go to just torque that. And what it's gonna do is just loosen up that belt there. Whew, it's hot. I'm gonna change shorts, y'all. I'm gonna change shorts too. Give me a second, y'all. I'm gonna change shorts here because I'm messing these shorts up. Alright, y'all, so I done switched it to the other side here so y'all can see when I pull it what happens to the belt. It's just a tension pulley, so it's just gonna take tension off of that. See, there's no tension there. It's nice and tight there. Pull this guy. Now look at it. So I'm just gonna pop that guy right on off. Right on off. Still a little warm down here. Try not to burn myself. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that, we got ourselves a belt off. Old one. And to me, it looks pretty good. Oh, I never did change my shorts, y'all. These shorts is done with. It's a wrap now. Just leave them on. It's over with for these shorts. But you see all that, man. I thought the belt was pretty good. I had some other car guys look at it and they were like, yeah, you need a new belt. And it does make a lot of noise when it gets started. So I was having to spray WD-40 on it pretty much every time I started it, because otherwise it'd be like making a little squeaky noise, and you don't want that. So hopefully this solves that problem and it's not like a bad pulley or something. This here is our new belt, our new packaging. And if you don't remember how to put on, how the belt was on, which I don't, you see that diagram right there, will show you how the belt is supposed to loop around those pulleys there. So I'm gonna get that started, and I'll probably time lapse that so you guys don't have to sit here and see me figuring it out, because I definitely don't remember which way it was when I was taking it off. Alright, y'all, so it didn't take that long, actually, surprisingly. Hope y'all was able to see what I was doing. I don't know if I had it zoomed out enough or zoomed in enough, but we're gonna give it a start and see what happens. I think we good though, y'all. Just like that, family. That's how you put on a timing belt, man. It's gonna vary from car to car. Some belts are gonna be small, some gonna be bigger. But for the most part, you're gonna need these tools to make it happen. You're gonna need the timing belt, the serpentine belt. You're gonna need that tensioner bar, and you straight, man. As long as you can get to it, man. Easy peasy. So that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Hey, I know y'all done seen it, man. We 1K shouty, some of the newest members to the 1K squad, man. 9 months we got it done, man. Next is 2K, and next is getting monetized, man. Monetized in 1 year, gang, man. That's what we on. That's what we've been saying. We not stopping. Shout out to all my new supporters, man. I'm about to start going live, man. Be checking out for that. And also, I haven't forgot, man. I know I haven't been speaking about it a lot be going on, y'all. But 1K Cash App giveaway, man. We done hit 1K already. We've been giving our community. So we're about to go ahead and start releasing information about the Cash App giveaway. But I'm gonna tell you right now, you gotta make sure you subscribe to the channel and subscribe to my IG, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to those two things, because the information is gonna come out in between my channel and my page on IG, man. So appreciate y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, turn it to all, man, and let's continue going up, gang. Gang, gang, gang.